Hey guys! It's your boy, FRITZ VILLANUEVA. I'm back again with another weekly videos. Yeah boy! So for today's video, meron akong package na galing sa aking kabatchmate. So ito, sapatos. Sabi niya, i-custom ko daw yung sapatos na, costume. Yeah. So I will be doing another custom video right now. So let's open this shoebox. So ito yung laman ng shoebox. So this is Adidas Stan Smith. So sabi niya, i-custom ko daw ito at sobrang bago pa talaga. So custom ko daw ito sa design ng cherry blossom. So meron na akong nagawang layout para sa ating design. So ipapakita ko lang mamaya kung ano ito. Yan, sobrang bago pang puting-puti oh. So gagawan ko ito ng design later on. So dalawa ito, hindi lang isa, pat dalawa. Nandito yung isa. Yan na yung Stan Smith shoes na i-custom ko. So I'll open this later. So right now, let's do the costume. Let's go!
You were right this time, you were right this time. Oh no, now the truth comes out and I know that you warned me about it. Shallow, you were only ever in for yourself, yeah, in for yourself. Oh great, fantastic, you mastered it all. I like you plastic, it's so long. Over your antics, you shut me out. I hope that you're happy now. Yeah, I wanna learn guitar, well we got the time. Gonna be 4 months till we gonna see the sound. Like a legal switch out, let me share my doubts. When are we gonna leave with the dreams still young? Doctors in the front line, and I got her, even sometimes. Yeah, I got her, playing online. If you talk first, count 1 times, yeah. And I'm really feeling bad, I do. And I'm really, really mad at you. And we really got a badass crew, gonna see you soon. Yeah, we in a bad mood. Yeah. Stuck inside, won't you set me free? Yeah, and getting drunk at night, won't you let me be? Yeah. Step out there, you cannot defeat. Yeah, when it's gone too far, now it's quarantine. Yeah. Cause I'm sick of this and it's barely started. Felt like vacation till my girl departed. At least I can work so I can be regarded as the fucking best with the stars charted. Yeah, I don't wanna feel like you, I don't wanna feel like you. Living my dreams come true, but my nightmares they prove. Yeah, I don't wanna say that. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Kakatapos ko lang sa aking custom Adidas Stan Smith. Makikita rin naman hanggang front yung design niya. So this is cherry blossom, so from Japan, and it's pink. Yeah, pink and then red. Meron din tayong pag-gradient na design na logo sa back niya. Yan, makikita niyo naman. Yan, basta yan. Yan yung logo niya at ito yung cherry blossom. There. Meron din tayong Bible verse sa left side. And meron din tayong Korean word for this right side na shoe. So, kayo na bahala kung anong tawag dyan. Yeah, kayo na bahala kung translate nyo. So, yan. I hope you like the custom and then if may recommend ko yung ibang design, just comment down below. If you want me to custom your shoes, just follow and then message me in my social medias and I will directly message you. Ito na yung end ng ating video. So thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!